हेलो स्टूडेंट, वेलकम टू माय चैनल नॉलेज ओशन। आप सबका एक बार फिर बहुत बहुत स्वागत है मेरे चैनल नॉलेज ओशन में। और आज हम लोग क्लास 9 के पहले चैप्टर ज्योग्राफी के पहले चैप्टर इंडिया साइज एंड लोकेशन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस चैप्टर आई विल टेल यू फ्रॉम वेयर वी गेट आवर कंट्री नेम इंडिया। The word India come from the Indus River, which is called Sindhu in Sanskrit. The land to the east of the river Indus was called India. This name was given by the Iranis and the Greeks who came through the northwest about 2500 years ago. So the name India was given by the Greeks, by the Irani people who came about 2500 years ago, and India means the land to the east of the river Indus is called India. So before any delay, I like to start the chapter. Now, what is the objective of studying this chapter, India size and location? The main objective of studying this chapter is to know the physical size and location of India. India is one of the ancient civilization in the world. It has moved forward, displaying remarkable progress in the field of agriculture, industries, टेक्नोलॉजी एंड ओवरऑल इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट। भारत की सभ्यता विश्व के प्राचीनतम सभ्यताओं में से एक है। 200 साल अंग्रेजों के गुलाम रहने के बावजूद भारत ने कृषि, औद्योगिक और आर्थिक क्षेत्रों में बहुत विकास किया है। Now we will study about the location of our country. The India is a vast country lying entirely in the northern hemisphere. The main land extension between the latitude is 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north, and the longitude is the 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. The topic of cancer divided the country into two equal parts. To the southeast of the mainland lie Andaman and Nicobar Island in Bay of Bengal. To the southwest of the mainland lie Lakshadweep Island in the Arabian Sea. The southern point of Indian Union, that was the Indira Point, got submerged under the seawater in 2004 ड्यूरिंग द सुनामी। तो हम ये देख सकते हैं कि हमारा देश एक विशाल देश है और ये नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर में लाई करता है। लैटिट्यूडनल लॉन्गिट्यूडनल एक्सटेंशन मैंने आपको बता दिया है। एंड यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दैट द लैटिट्यूड, लॉन्गिट्यूड, टॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर, दीज ऑल आर द इमेजिनरी लाइन्स। ये सब क्या है? इमेजिनरी लाइन्स है। दीज लाइन्स आर ओनली मेड टू लोकेट द प्लेसेस। द टॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर divide our country into the two equal part. Its latitude extension is 23 degree 30 minute north. Now we will study about the size of our country. The land mass of India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer. The total area account about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. यानी पूरे वर्ल्ड का 2.4% लैंड हमारे पास है। The India is the 7th largest country of the world. It has a land boundary about 15,200 kilometer, and the coastline, if we include Andaman, Nicobar and Lakshadweep, it is about 7,516.6 kilometer. From the northwest, north and northeast, India is bounded with a Yangtze mountain, that is Himalaya, and in the down south, India is a peninsular region. The peninsular region means an area or a piece of land which is surrounded three sides with water. So in the north, northwest and northeast, we are surrounded with Himalayas. And from the south, we are surrounded with Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. And if we move from west to east, that is from the Gujarat to the Arunachal Pradesh, we will find there is a time lag of 2 hours. That means there is a time gap of the 2 hour, and to solve this problem, to have a uniform time, we have made the standard meridian of India, that is the 82 degree 30 minute east, which passes through Mirzapur, that is in UP, and it is taken as the standard time for the whole country, so that there should be a uniformity in our time. The Indian landmass has a central location between East and the West Asia. India is a southward extension of the Asian continent. The trans-ocean route which connect the countries of Europe in the west and the countries of the East Asia provide a good position in the central location to India. The India's eminent position in Indian Ocean make a very good coastline. No other countries has the longest coastline on the Indian Ocean as India. In 1869, the opening of the Suez Canal reduces the distance from the Europe to India by 7,000 kilometers. So you have to remember that the distance between Europe and India was reduced after the Suez Canal was opened in 1869. The India contact with the world through the land routes are much older than the marine route. These routes have contributed in the exchange of ideas and the commodity since ancient time. The spices, the raw material and other merchandise things were taken from India to the different part of the countries and Europe. India occupies an important position in South Asia. India has 28 states and 9 union territory. India shares its land boundary with Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Nepal and Bhutan in the north, and the Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. The southern neighbor across the sea consists of the two island country Sri Lanka and the Maldives. The Maldives Islands are situated to the south of the Lakshadweep Island, and India has a strong geographical and historical link with their neighboring country. So India has a very statistical, very important position in the South Asia. India is divided into 28 states and 9 union territories, and it shares the boundary with the different country, and it has a very good relationship with its neighboring country. So it is a small description of India's size and location. It is a very important chapter about our country, which we have to learn about the latitude extension, about the longitudinal extension, about the standard meridian. So these things we have to learn. So I hope you have liked this video. So please subscribe. जिन्होंने सब्सक्राइब कर दिया है, प्लीज मोटिवेट अदर स्टूडेंट्स ऑल्सो टू सब्सक्राइब, like this video, and please do comment and share this video as much as you can. So thank you. Jai Hind. Keep smiling.